Here we have a 66 plate BMW 420d M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, finished in black, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Alpine white exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic in conjunction with the black accents around the vehicle. Black kidney grills at the front. We've got the M Performance kit consisting of the front splitter, side skirts and rear spoiler. You've then got your second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. There's a look at that third alloy wheel, again excellent condition, shark fin antenna on top, black spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely. You've also got front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside, dual exit exhaust on the left hand side, and as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. And let's go on to the interior next. Now as you can see we've got the full leather interior. How great does it look in here? ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, vents in the middle just there. On the doors, integrated speakers, brushed metal handle and electric window controls. Coming into the front now, we've got that same full leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look. Now on the doors we've got our premium Harman Kardon sound system, power folding electric wing mirrors or electric window controls. Now let's step inside out of that rain. Auto lights on our right. We'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got low fuel, but that's nothing to worry about. Coming down, you've then got your multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right there. As you can see, the car itself has covered just over 63,280 miles. Now coming into the middle, infotainment screen features on here consist of satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity like USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary, as well as CD and DVD. We've also got our DAB radio and telephone connectivity. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see front and rear parking sensors on display like so. We've also got different driving modes in here, so modes like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, each having different driving characteristics, so you can pick and choose which one suits your driving style at a time. Now we've also got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls with heated seat controls for both front passengers, storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity below, traction control, different mode selects. We've also got a button for our parking sensors. We can take manual control with the gear stick as well should you wish, like so. Back into park for now. Shortcuts and control wheel for the infotainment screen, soft touch leather armrest which does double up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we have got our cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate this, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed with that same trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate we simply press that same cruise control button and we're back to manual control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5th, 4th and 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, are completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course we've got the full leather interior which is incredibly comfortable. Of course we've got the heated functions for both front passengers as well, perfect for these cold British mornings we're currently facing. Plenty of great features on the infotainment screen like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, all pairing up to our premium Harman Kardon sound system as well, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. So we're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. If you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse and then drive over a speed bump. So we'll just wait for that now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems at all. And then let's just drive over the speed bump here and listen out for any knocks or any bangs of any kind. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds throughout the entire journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you can work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.